luck on your winner take all. And the race is on. Lola Carey by the rail, My Wife Knows All. And moving up by the rail, Chichi's Eyes. And on the further outside, Hot Taste, number 4, Dragon Lady. While Emperor Princess is running at the tail of the field. My Wife Knows All. Lola Carey. Then on the inside is Hot Taste. Chichi's Eyes running forward by about 2 lengths. Dragon Lady. And passing the half-mile post, 3 runners fighting it out for the lead. Hot Taste Danori inside, in between runners Lola Carey, alongside My Wife Knows All, and entry number 2, Chichi's Eyes. And at a far turn, still 3 runners keep on matching their strides together. My Wife Knows All, Lola Carey in between runners, Hot Taste Danori inside. Then here comes Chichi's Eyes on the further outside as they race the final corner. Hot Taste, Lola Carey, My Wife Knows All on the outside, and Chichi's Eyes, My Wife Knows All on the outside, and Hot Taste done on the inside. My Wife Knows All followed by Hot Taste, Chichi's Eyes, and finally number 6, My Wife Knows All. Chichi's Eyes, Hot Taste, Lola Carey, Empire Princess, and number 4, Dragon Lady.
Experience.